I'm Victoria. I'm a reptile keeper here at Naples Zoo. I have a 4-year degree in wildlife and fisheries resources with a minor in conservation ecology. Now today we have a special video for you. It is our eastern diamondback rattlesnake eating. So it's a pretty up close video just showing how they work their food down their throats. So it's a lot of times a question we get asked pretty often of how it all works. But in this video, you can actually see it. At the top of the snake's mouth, you can kind of see his fangs, as that is where they inject their prey items with that venom. So venom is a key component of how they hunt, and so they need it in order to eat. It actually starts some of the digestive process for them, and if they didn't have it, they would actually not have the ways to catch their food. So what they do is they bite on, use that venom, let go, and the venom does all of the work. If they were to use every last drop, they have about 10 to 14 days until it rejuvenates. So they don't want to waste it on things like predators. Now in this video, you see this our eastern diamondback working down its rodent that it was just served for him, and you can see its trachea. And that is because when they're eating some larger food items, you know, they need still a space for them to be able to breathe. So that's that hole that you see in the bottom of its mouth. You also notice how that jaw is so flexible, and that's how they're able to open their mouth so wide. Now in this photo here, you can actually see the venom. It's that yellow drop that's on the side of his mouth, and that is how it's going to eat its food. So that venom probably fell out a little bit when he was striking at his food item, but it's a really up close view safely of how to see their venom in person.